for me anyway, this is important to receive this recognition on the 50th year on the War on Poverty. And to know that we have worked really hard over the years to make so many gains and to bring people out of poverty. And we've learned many things over 50 years, such as how education fits into what we try to do, how providing people with a home that is warm, safe, and dry helps bring people out of poverty, and how us all working together in a community empowers people to bring themselves and their children out of poverty. Commissioner Brumby, I want to thank you for all of your work as well with the Department of Social Services. Clearly they are a partner in our state government and also in our communities. And really everybody here around the table works very hard to empower those in our community. One of the things I think, if I had a legacy when the last chapter is written on my legislative career, would be helping with the Operation Fuel and LIHEAP and others to try and make sure that people have heat in their homes over those cold months, especially with our when we had budget deficits and we were in tough times. We still were able to find the money to help people and ensure that they had heat in their homes. And I think of all the basics that we have in our communities for people, that is one of the basics that we need to have, especially as we went through this past winter that had been one of the coldest we've experienced in a very long time. So again, I am very honored by this award. I thank you. We always have challenges in our communities, whether it's through an agency, whether it's economic times or whatever the challenges are, but we will always meet them head on if we are working together. And so I thank all of you for this wonderful award, but I mostly thank you for all the work that you do each and every day. Thank you. On behalf of Senator Williams, who could not be here today, and he wanted me to express his thanks also to CAFCA and also, of course, to our other award winners as well, including Mayor Harp and Representative Walker, who have done so much for our state in this regard as well. One thing I also just want to mention is that, along with the governor and the commissioner and everybody here, that when the tough times are out and it's easy to make cuts to vulnerable people who don't have a voice, Senator Williams, the governor, and others I know have, and Representative Walker and Mayor Harp, have really taken upon themselves with others to ensure that those who don't have a voice are still protected here at the state capitol. And I know they have worked very hard with that, and they have partnered with CAFCA and others to help give those who don't have a voice, because sometimes it is easy to make cuts when we're facing budget deficits to those who don't come up to the Capitol, who don't have somebody who's paid to lobby on their behalf. But we rely on organizations such as CAFCA and others to work with us to keep those funds provided, because we know that small cuts sometimes can make a big difference and cause a lot of pain. So on behalf of Senator Williams, who is leaving, who we want to thank him for his dedicated service over the years, I know he gratefully accepts this award. Thank you.